Introducing the 2008 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine driven by an automatic transmission, the anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. Pamper yourself with memory settings. Know the history on this ride and greatly reduce your buying risk with the included Carfax Vehicle History Report. Call today to schedule a test drive.